Granddad, where are all the cookies?
I ate them all!
What?
I ate them all!
Why would you eat them all?
Because I was hungry!
Nah. Granddad, if you don't stop eating those cookies, you will get diabetes, okay?
Oh, so you want to fight, huh?
What? I never said anything about a fight.
Well, if a fight's what you want, well, a fight's what you're gonna do.
I didn't want to fight.
I'm gonna go and get the weapons.
Uh-oh. Yeah! Granddad!
What?
That's a pool noodle.
Wait, no it's not.
Yes, it is!
Okay, fine, I'll go and get one of those lightsabers you're talking about. Because clearly you're blind and you don't know what a lightsaber is.
I'm not blind and I know exactly what a lightsaber is.
Shut up. Man, how does this thing even work?
Just throw it around everywhere until it gets longer, you moron.
Hey, I'm not a moron. My Sackboy son's a moron. There we go.
What the heck?
You're stupid.
How am I stupid when you're the one that doesn't even know what a lightsaber is until I taught you? You're also dumb because you didn't even know how to make your lightsaber longer until, again, I told you.
Yeah. Well, you're stupid because you don't know the difference between 1095.
I do know the difference.
Then why do you keep on saying, well, I am 95?
Because
Why does your lightsaber keep on getting short?
I don't know. Because I like it like that way. Hiya!
Stupid!
I know. Wait. Yeah. It's time for you to die, Granddad.
More like your time to die.
Oh, ow. Ah!
Where is he? Is he gonna give me with the lightsaber? Please no!
Hiya!
Ah, what was that for?
Because you ate all the cookies.
Yeah, but that was nunchucks, no lightsaber.
I know, but at least I didn't swing the nunchucks.
I'm gonna be back better than you.
I wonder what Granddad was talking about when he was gonna come back better than ever.